Hello, educators. Welcome to today's training, whereby I show you how to use our tools on AiTeacha app. So today, let's try to solve maths with the solver on AiTeacha's app. So when you log on to AiTeacha, you already know you go to My Tools. After clicking My Tools, you see all our tools. Like I did tell you, we have 40 plus tools on our app. So we are working on Solver today. This is very easy and seamless to use. You can use it to solve any equations, any mathematical problem, or anything you want to solve. You can use it to solve it. And it's very easy to use. So let's click on the subjects. We are solving maths. Now let's think of a question or something we want to solve. And I bet you it's going to solve it within 30 seconds. So let me just input some words, some numbers so that we can work on that. So 3x raised to power 2 plus 5y raised to power 2 equals 6. So this is the equation we want to solve. So let's get the answers. And this upload file is optional. That's if you have something else you want to upload, or you just want to upload for the AI to solve that, it can upload it there. But if you don't have, as long as you input your equation into the description box, you're good to go. So you click on submit and watch AiTeacha do its magic in just 30 seconds. So this is it. The result is out. Given the equation 3x squared plus 5y squared equals 6, this represents an ellipse. So step 1, you divide the entire equation by 6 to get it in standard form. Simplify each term, then rewrite 6 divided by 5 as 1.2. Step 2, the standard form of an ellipse is x squared divided by a squared in a bracket plus y squared divided by b squared in a bracket equals to 1. It goes further to simplifies it. Then step 3, identify the center and axis. Center is at 0 and semi-major and semi-minor axis lengths are a and b. Since a is greater than b, the major axis is along the x-axis with length 2a equals 2.828. The minor axis is along the y-axis with length 2b equals 2.19. This describes the ellipse completely. And that is just how AiTeacha solves any equation. If this isn't enough, you can download it as a PDF or save to history, and you can keep on sending in more equations for it to solve. It's going to tell you the type of equation you are sending in, and it will make your work much more easier. You can follow the step by step to understand what you're solving, and that is going to make your work easier. You will be able to teach your students very well, step by step, and they are going to understand you perfectly. So why don't you try it out today? Let us know in the comment section. This is about our tools on AiTeacha, the solver tool. On our next episode, I'm going to be training you on another tool. Stay tuned with us. See you on our next episode. Bye.